हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे जो हम पोस्ट कोड 887 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस कर रहे थे। ये सेकंड पार्ट रहने वाला है, हिमाचल जीके वाला पार्ट, एंड हमने उसके साथ रीजनिंग एंड इंग्लिश वाला पार्ट सॉल्व कर लिया है। इस ऑन करंट अफेयर्स वाला जो पार्ट है वो सॉल्व कर लिया है। अब इस वीडियो में हम जो है बाकी के पार्ट जो हैं वो सॉल्व करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ओशन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रिंग ऑफ फायर। सो रिंग ऑफ फायर किसे बोला जाता है? पैसिफिक ओशन को बोला जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज द कोल्ड लैब्राडोर करंट ब्रिंग्स 9 month विंटर्स टू ईस्टर्न Newfoundland is the correct answer. Next is the hot desert of the world are generally found near the, तो कहाँ होता है ये? हॉट्स लैटिट्यूड के पास फाउंड होते हैं। C is the correct answer. Next is Lima is the capital of Peru is the correct answer. D. Next is which country lies entirely in the southern hemisphere? तो C is the correct answer. Next is Myanmar is a new name of, तो किसका है? बर्मा का है। A is the correct answer. Next is which is the greatest archipelago on the globe? तो विश्व का सबसे बड़ा द्वीप समूह कौन सा है? So Indonesia is the correct answer. Next is which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? तो पंजाब is the correct answer. Next is which is the longest river in India? तो गंगा is the correct answer. आउट ऑफ जो ऑप्शन में दी है उसमें से गंगा सबसे longest river है. Next is the diurnal range of temperature is maximum in which city? So New Delhi is the correct answer. Next is which is not a union territory? Goa is a state. Next is which is the longest dam in India? तो Hirakud dam is the correct answer. Next is uranium mines in India are located at जादूगोड़ा. B बहुत बार डिस्कस किया है ये क्वेश्चन हमने. B is the correct answer. Next is the first atomic power plant constructed in India was set up at, तो कहाँ सेटअप थी वो? तारापुर में थी. C is the correct answer. Next is which port is a natural harbor? So I'm not sure about this answer. तो ये आप जब आंसर की आएगी तब चेक कर लीजिए. Next is the largest locomotive factory in India is located at. So D is the correct answer. नेक्स्ट है डिमांड फॉर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड्स इज नोन एज, तो उसको हम जॉइंट डिमांड बोलते हैं. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज वन ऑफ द एसेंशियल कंडीशंस ऑफ मोनोपोलिस्टिक competition is product differentiation. C is the correct answer. Next is the Imperial Bank of India after its nationalization came to be known as SBI. P is the correct answer. Next is CRR stands for cash reserve ratio. B is the correct answer. Next is taxation is a tool of, so it is a tool of your fiscal policy. Next is foreign investment is known by which name in India? So FDI is the correct answer. Next is blue revolution is related to, so it is related to your fish. Next is economic development depends on, so it depends on natural resources, capital formation, size of the market. So D is the correct answer. Next is capital market regulator is, so C is the correct answer. SEBI. Next is headquarters of World Bank is at, so D, Washington DC is the correct answer. Next is the chemical component that is invariably found in all viruses is, so protein is the correct answer. Next question is the study of field crop is known as agronomy. A is the correct answer. Next is the fruit of which plant are found underground? Fruit पूछा है. See, carrot भी underground होती है, but carrot is not a fruit, it is a root. So C, groundnut is the correct answer. Next is which is an indicator of air pollution? So lichens is the correct answer. Next is the most suitable soil for the production of cotton is black soil. A is the correct answer. Next is which is an abiotic component of the environment? Abiotic means non-living. So non-living कौन सा है? इसमें से सिर्फ gravity है. green plants living है, decomposers living होती है, non-green plants भी living ही होते हैं. Next is the concept of survival of the fittest was first advocated by, तो स्पेंसर ने इसको एडवोकेट किया था अपनी बुक में. Next is the red data book provides an account of, तो ये किस चीज़ का अकाउंट प्रोवाइड करती है? endangered plants and animals. स्पीशीज का. नेक्स्ट इज विच विटामिन कैन नॉट बी ड्रॉन फ्रॉम एनी वेजिटेबल. विटामिन डी, बिकॉज विटामिन डी क्या होता है आपकी बॉडी के अंदर खुद ही सिंथेसाइज होता है इन दी एक्सपोजर ऑफ सनलाइट. ये चीज़ हमने पहले भी डिस्कस की है, बहुत बार डिस्कस की है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज बाइल इज सिक्रीटेड बाय. तो कौन सिक्रीट करता है इसको? लिवर सिक्रीट करता है और गॉल ब्लैडर इसको स्टोर करता है. ये भी हमने पहले डिस्कस किया है. नेक्स्ट इज शेविंग मिरर इज 1000 टाइम्स हमने डिस्कस किया है, कॉनकेव. नेक्स्ट इज ऑप्टिकल फाइबर वर्क्स ऑन विच प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लाइट. सो इट वर्क्स ऑन टोटल internal reflection. Okay, the next question is rise of oil in a wick is due to the surface tension of the oil. Next is energy that is produced commercially from coal is called as thermal energy. Next question है electromagnet is constructed with which of the following. तो आपके soft iron से बनाए जाते हैं electromagnet कैसे बनाए जाते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के थ्रू जो है उनमें ये इंडक्शन करवाई जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज विच एलिमेंट डज नॉट शो रेडियो एक्टिविटी. सो आपका एल्यूमिनियम शो नहीं करता है. नेक्स्ट इज लाइम वाटर बिकम्स मिल्की व्हेन एक्सपोज टू द एयर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड is the correct answer. Next is commercial name of sodium bicarbonate is, so it is baking soda. Next is filament of electric bulb is made up of tungsten. D is the correct answer. Next question is which is a natural polymer starch is the correct answer. Next is a spelling checker is also called as electronic dictionary. C is the correct answer. Next is in a word processing the ability to adjust the space between two characters is known as scanning. A is the correct answer. Next is in MS Word the word process of removing. In MS Word, the process of removing unwanted part of an image is called as cropping. Next is to apply the center alignment to a paragraph in MS Word, we can press Ctrl plus E. Next is text styling feature of MS Word is known as word art. Next is a number of letter that appears below the normal text in MS Word is called as below. उसको subscript बोलते हैं. Okay, the next question is which can be used as watermark on Word document. So both your text and image can be used. Next question is the direction of a rectangular page for viewing and printing is called as your orientation. Next is we can change the thickness of a line in MS Word from line style. Next is in which view header and folder are visible in MS Word. So that is your print layout view. Next is okay, this is Himachal GK and this we have discussed. But जो आपका first question है जो कि बहुत लोग ये बोल रहे हैं इसका correct answer धर्मशाला होगा. धर्मशाला को हम जो धर्मशाला में आपका मैक्लोडगंज है उसको हम मिनी लहासा बोलते हैं. So लिटिल तिब्बत आपका जो correct answer है. आप दर्पण देख लीजिए, आप कोई और बुक फॉलो करते हैं उसको देख लीजिए. आप लोग गूगल पे जाके सर्च कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर उसका आंसर धर्मशाला आ रहा है इसलिए आप लोग ये बोल रहे हैं धर्मशाला इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. बट नहीं, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो लाहौल स्पीति ही होगा. लिटिल तिब्बत लाहौल स्पीति को बोला जाता है. हमने बहुत बार ये वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया है. सो लाहौल स्पीति इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो दैट्स ओके. इस वीडियो में हम इतना ही नहीं, वो वाले क्वेश्चंस लास्ट वाले क्वेश्चंस पे डिस्कस कर लेते हैं इसी वीडियो में. ओके, तो आपका हिस्ट्री पार्ट स्टार्ट होता है. नेक्स्ट इज विच इज द ओल्डेस्ट वेदा. दैट इज योर ऋग्वेद. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म बोथ गिव स्ट्रेस ऑन नॉन वायलेंस. बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वॉज डिस्कवर्ड इन. सो द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज 1922. D is the correct answer. Next is the first monarch of Magad kingdom in the 6th century BC was. So the correct answer of this is A is the correct answer. Bimbisara is the correct answer. Next is the first metallic coin used in India was in D, Bihar and Eastern UP. Next is the Mauryan dynasty was overthrown by. C is the correct answer. Next is Sufi sect developed in which religion. So B is the correct answer. the capital of Kaktiya dynasty was? So D is the correct answer. Next is when Akbar was young, his guardian was. So A is the correct answer. Next is when did Vasco da Gama come to India? That is 1498 is the correct answer. Next is the Kirti Stambh at Chittor was filled by Sorana Kumbha. C is the correct answer. Is the okay. Next is the Mathura school of art flourished during the reign of A. Kanishka is the right answer. Next is the tomb of Babur is at Kabul. B is the correct answer. Next is who is the author of Ashtadhyayi? So the correct answer is D. Next question is who looted the temple of Somnath? So the correct answer is Mahmud Ghaznavi. A is the correct answer. Next is who is regarded as the great lawgiver of ancient India? So Manu is the correct answer. Next is Swaraj Party was found in which year? So the correct answer is 1923. B is the correct answer. Next is who was the founder of Muslim League in India? C is the correct answer. Next is the Gandhian Irwin Pact proclaimed the suspension of civil disobedience movement is the correct answer. Next is Indian National Congress split for the first time in which in its session at Surat. B is the correct answer. Next is the first state to become bifurcated after the independence. So A is the correct answer. Next question. So next, right to equality before law is a civil right. Next question is okay, the next question is a many bill passed by the Lok Sabha has to be passed by Rajya Sabha in 14 days. Next is the Rajya Sabha can have the maximum strength of 250 members. Next is who holds the office during the pleasure of the president? So D, governor is the correct answer. Next is the Union Council of Ministers were collectively responsible to the House of the People. D is the correct answer. Next is which tax is levied by the state government only? So entertainment tax is the correct answer. Next is the which of the following is not a writ issued by a Supreme Court to an inferior court? So D is the correct answer. Next is which were incorporated into the constitution by an amendment? So fundamental duties. P is the correct. Next is the delimitation of the territorial constituencies in India is the responsibility of election commission. C is the correct answer. Next is Niti Aayog is an executive body. Next is 7th schedule of the Indian constitution deal with the 3 lists regarding the legislature. Next is the democratic body at the lowest level of rural local self-government is called. See, I'm not sure about this answer, so I'm not going to answer. Next is from which country did the tradition of written constitution begin? So that is the America is the correct answer. D. Next is who is the speaker of the first Lok Sabha? So A is the correct answer. Next is which planet is the farthest distance from the Earth? So Neptune is the correct answer. Next is equinox occurs when the sun is vertically above the equator. D is the correct answer. Next is USA is divided into how many time zones? सो इसका जो आपका आंसर है यूएसए इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मेनी टाइम जोन्स, यहाँ पर आपको बहुत वेरिड आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस आंसर. सो आंसर की का वेट करते हैं इस आंसर के लिए भी. नेक्स्ट इज प्राइम मेरिडियन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड. अगर आपको पता है इसका करेक्ट आंसर तो आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो प्राइम मेरिडियन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन. नेक्स्ट इज रोरिंग 40s आर. सो इट इज़ अ steady northwest anti-trade wind in the southern hemisphere. Next is the ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next is the amount of albedo in the atmosphere is about 42% is the correct answer. Next question is which cloud is also known as high clouds? A is the correct answer. Next is which, or the last question is which metal or is most abundant in the earth crust? So the correct answer is इनोविलियम. C is the correct answer. So ये थे आपके ये हमने पोस्ट कोड 8 87 का पूरा पेपर सॉल्व कर लिया है, 2 पार्ट्स में सॉल्व किया, फर्स्ट पार्ट भी देख लीजिए एंड ये सेकेंड पार्ट है। सो दैट्स ऑल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूज़फुल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कर दीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए, बाकी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।